So welcome to this new video, and today we will see that how we can automate some of our tasks and works in our smartphone so that it makes our life easy. So let's get started without wasting our time. So this is a very good app which helps in automation, and you can download it from the Play Store. The link will be in the description. So some of the works here are shared by GG users, so you can check it out by going to the template section, and on the top you can categorize what type of automation you want. So like simply if you want automation in notification, then you will see top new on the top rated, latest and top users. So you can simply check by clicking some of the shared works, and then you can see what is the process going on here, and if you liked it, then simply you can tap and you can add it. So now you can see that it's said added macro, and in the macro section you will see the added macro. So here it's added macro. So we will see here how we can automate the sending of message whenever we miss a call or whenever we receive a call based on your choice. So enter the name of the macro like missed call, and there are three parts in a macro. The first is the triggers, second is the actions, third is the constraints. So by the name you can know that triggers means the conditions after which the action will be taken, and constraint means action in a restricted manner. So tap on the triggers on the plus button, and then you can see here there are lots of options. So we need triggers from the call and SMS. So click there, and here you will see call missed. Click on it, select the number which you want, and then click on OK. On the action section, go to the messaging, send a SMS, select the number as the call number, and type a message here, hey, sorry, and then click on the tick. On the constraint, if you want to add some constraints such as the date and time, in which time you want to run this, then you can select it like time of the day of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then click on OK. Simply add the button, and now you are ready to go. So in this way you can create some of the macro. Here you can create many more automations, and you can check the app out for more options. So this is a very good app which I will recommend you to download and use it. And here also you can capture the intruder's photo whenever someone's enter wrong password to your phone. So if I go to security here, and here you, on the top rated section, you will see that intruder photo takes a photo when your pin is entered incorrectly. You can go here, you can add it simply, and it will ask you about the permissions which the macro want, and then you can add it if you want. So this is the app, and you will find the link in the description. So download it, use it, and make your life easier. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it.